Hey everyone. Welcome back to Chronicles of Tech. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Chloe. Today, we are diving into a topic that's been more talked about than your neighbor's cat that thinks it's a dog: modern artificial intelligence.
And for those of you wondering, we'll be teasing a pretty juicy question today. What if I told you that some of the most profound advancements in modern AI are based on a concept that's been around for decades?
Oh, I love a good tease. Stick around, folks, because by the end, we'll unravel that mystery. Now, Daniel, when we talk about AI's rise, it's like trying to summarize the plot of Inception in just a sentence.
Totally. It's like Inception meets evolution. Seriously, though, the tale of modern AI is a story filled with twists, turns, and a few clever robots that could definitely give your smart fridge a run for its money.
Right? And to kick things off, let's rewind a bit. The groundwork for AI began way back in the 1950s with pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy. Turing even created the famous Turing test, a way to measure a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to a human.
Ah yes, the ultimate game of spot the bot. But it wasn't a smooth ride to robot overlord status. It was more like a roller coaster with some gnarly ups and downs over the decades.
Exactly. AI actually went through a few AI winters, periods of disappointment where researchers were like, great, now what? After all that excitement, it turned out that teaching machines how to think like humans wasn't exactly a walk in the park, or a stroll in a digital garden either.
And then there came a seismic shift in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Cue dramatic music.
Laughs, right? Suddenly, with the explosion of data and computing power, modern AI began to emerge. Enter deep learning and neural networks. Suddenly it was less about Turing tests and more about teaching machines to recognize patterns.
And let's not forget about that moment in 2011 when IBM's Watson crushed everyone on Jeopardy! That was the equivalent of a nerdy superhero descending from the skies, right?
Totally. Watson was like, I have arrived. Stand back, mere mortals. But it went beyond just games. AI started being used in healthcare, finance, and even our social media feeds. Talk about crashing the party.
Speaking of crashing parties, let's talk about the tech that powered this modern AI revolution: machine learning. It's like gifting your computer a brain that actually learns over time.
And don't forget about that magical ingredient called big data, basically. Feeding an AI system with enough information to make a data buffet look like a sad snack platter.
Laughs, and that buffet made all the difference. Evolutionarily speaking, if traditional AI was a peasant in the technological kingdom, modern AI has gone full-on royal.
But with great power comes great responsibility, aka ethical considerations. When we discuss the rise of AI, we can't overlook the ethical dilemmas that come with it. Who's monitoring these systems?
Exactly. As AI gets smarter, we also have to get smarter about how we regulate its use. Can we trust algorithms to make fair decisions? Or is it all just whimsy? And what if your smart fridge starts getting ideas about how to manage your grocery list?
Well, my fridge has already judged me for my late-night ice cream raids. Laughs, but you bring up a solid point. The rise of AI isn't just a story of innovation, it's also about society grappling with new challenges.
Great point. And let's not forget about the role of emotions. I mean, can machines truly understand us? I doubt your AI assistant could ever feel that Friday feeling when the weekend approaches.
Or share your joy as you binge-watch another season of The Office for the 10th time. Chuckles, it's human connections and experiences that separate us from machines, at least for now.
Yet, there's one intriguing aspect of AI we should mention. The concept of general AI, or AGI, could potentially transcend our current understanding. Imagine a machine that can think, understand, and intuit just like a human.
Oh boy. We better hope they've got a good sense of humor. Laughs, but seriously, it's fascinating and a little bit terrifying. What would that mean for our future?
And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Our big reveal. What's the thread that connects all these advancements in AI from its roots to the monster of capabilities it's becoming today?
Drumroll, please. It's the fact that modern AI is built on the very principles laid out by early pioneers. We've come full circle, combining their ideas with modern data and technology. So essentially, all that old wisdom was just waiting for the right tech to evolve.
Right. They planted the seeds, and only now with the proper tools do we see this giant AI garden blossoming. From Turing tests to deep learning, proof that sometimes the best ideas are timeless.
And that brings us to the end of another episode of Chronicles of Tech. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour through the world of AI.
Don't forget to tune in next time, and remember, as technology advances, we must keep the conversation going.
Until next time, stay curious.